Aria requires that the user maintains inventory in certain locations, and those locations must be defined in the system in order for Aria to be able to maintain inventory for finished goods and raw materials also. Locations should be defined under the master data and using the locations screen, as you can see, and it works like all other screens in Aria. You start by entering the location code. See that I'm adding a new location located in Brooklyn, so I am just gonna type BK as the location code, press enter, and as you can see the system displays the standard message saying BK is not found in the data file. What would you like to do? I'm gonna use my mouse and click on the add button. System will ask you a series of questions related to the address of that warehouse and what would you like to maintain in it. So Brooklyn warehouse, 132 Main Street, and city is Brooklyn, state is NY, zip code is 15236, country is USA, phone numbers is 718 and the shipper code. The shipper code is the first 3 digits of your UPS or your postal code, and what we do is that we use this in order to figure out the zone where you're shipping from, and by checking on the zone of the customer that you're shipping to, we should be able to estimate the freight charges for you. So in our case right now, the shipper code is 152 according to the zip code I have above, right? And as you can see, there is 3 main flags all the way at the bottom of the screen that tells the system about what you're planning to do with this code. As the standard setup, or by default, we maintain finished goods inventory in this location, and if we are planning to also maintain raw materials, or if you're planning to maintain raw materials only, right? And since that you might have more than one location saved in your system, we need to name or select one of them as the default location to be used automatically in all transactions until the user decides to change. So if this is going to be our default location, I'm gonna check and mark this location, as you can see, and of course, as usual, don't forget to save your changes. Now once the changes are saved in the warehouse, or once this warehouse information is saved, Aria will enable the use of this location on all other all transactions that requires the use of a warehouse, such as orders, picking tickets, invoices at the time of shipping, and when at the time of receiving work in progress. We usually select the warehouse on the purchase orders and on the receiving transaction.